It's Margarita, and today we are going to the house of Lancome with their newest release, Idole Nectar. Isn't this adorable? This has got to be the most streamlined bottle I've ever seen. This is the 30 ml, the 1 ounce bottle. This is super cute and so thin. It's almost like a business card, or it's no wider than a phone. This is so cool. But the look is one thing. Does the smell add up to the name? Let's find out. Fills the air pretty well. Atomizer was decent, got some good coverage. But while this is drying down, let's read the notes. Grass rose, rose, Turkish rose, noticing a theme here, caramel, popcorn, and vanilla. Now the other Idoles that I've smelled, they were just kind of to me. But the caramel, popcorn, and vanilla notes are the three that made me want to try it, because y'all know I'm not a fan of rose. There are 3 different types of roses listed in this fragrance, but I'm hoping that the dry down in the base, those gourmand notes will shine through. Off initial spray, I'm getting rose. It is a very prominent, very mature rose. It's a sweet rose. It's very nice, but I wouldn't wear it. The gourmand notes just aren't strong enough to overpower the florals. If you like a very sweet rose, this fragrance would be wonderful for you. If I liked rose a little bit more, I'd probably want to go with it. But the caramel it's faint. The vanilla, not really getting any of that. And the popcorn, you can kind of smell it. It does smell like roses with, I guess, mixed in with some movie popcorn. It's not salty though. It's very sweet and juicy. So again, if you like a juicy, sweet rose, you will love this. I don't think that they needed to do this. It smells very, for lack of a better word, common. This has been done a million times before, but it is very nice. But what do you think about it? Have you smelled Idole, the Nectar version? I know they have a bunch of flankers, but it's the newest one, and I wanted to get my nose on it to see if there was one that I could keep, and yet, nope. But that's only because I'm not a fan of rose. There are some roses that I do like, but this one's a bit too sweet. It's pretty much jammy. If you like a jammy rose, go for it. But let me know in the comments if you like this one. Also, like and subscribe to our channel, because we talk about things we love and things we don't love. And until next time, I am Margarita, and you have an awesome day. Bye.